Hi, Off-Grid Simplicity here. Today we'll be reviewing the North American Arms folding revolver. Let's get to it. So this is the North American Arms folding revolver. It's a 22 Magnum caliber. A folding grip, trigger, hammer. In order to break it down, you have to pull the hammer back to the first click, push in the pin, and pull the rod out, and then the whole cylinder comes out. The gun is made out of stainless steel. I think the only carbon part in here is this particular Allen screw, and there might be a couple of trigger mechanisms in there that might be carbon. Of course, everything is always loaded, so this is what we're looking at. .22 Magnum is the same diameter as a 22, so the barrel is interchangeable between 22 Magnum, and it also comes with an additional cylinder for 22 long rifle. So either one of them can be fired through this gun. The barrel is extremely short, and as far as I can tell, there's no rifling in it. This gun is extremely compact, as you can see, and 22 Magnum is more than enough to ruin your day if you get hit with this at close range, and it is really just a very close range gun. I've done some tests on these, and I fired them into various targets, and the bullet is not stabilized at all. Let me see, what am I doing? This is how the assembly works. There we go. And in order to make it safe, you have to be in between two rounds. So you turn it, apply the trigger, and make sure it clicks in between these two rounds, so if you ever drop it on the hammer, it doesn't discharge. 22 Magnum or 22 long rifle. Thanks for watching.